Hello and welcome to the IC Nanometer Design channel. In today's video, we will be walking through the steps to run Calibur's 3D field solver from a layout editor. This video will be particularly helpful to those who generally have the need to continuously switch between batch mode or matrix mode and the GUI to tweak the settings of an extraction run and the parameters of a field solver. For example, here we have a sample op-amp layout open in Cadence Virtuoso, and the goal is to generate an extracted view without having to leave the GUI. For the purpose of this demo, let's focus on a small section of this layout, which is here, and notice the differences after the exact 3D run is completed. You can run exact from the Calibur menu with the following settings. We are going to be using the PEX rule file for our input op-amp layout, whose settings are mentioned here. In outputs, we want to run Calibur exact in 3D field solver mode. Upon selecting exact 3D, you'll notice that there are two accuracy modes available to us. Mode 200 is best for everyday iterative use or when you have to run a full chip extraction, whereas mode 600 is used when a golden reference is needed or when a cell needs to be characterized. In this case, we'll stick to 200 and change the netlist type from HSpice to Calibur View. Calibur View is basically the link between Calibur LVS and PEX information and Cadence design environment where the information is passed to Virtuoso. The view will have the connectivity and intentional devices information extracted by Calibur LVS, and in addition the parasitic devices as well. To see the intentional and parasitic devices on the original layout shapes, we need to enable net geometry, and I'm going to go ahead and select C location 2 along with view netlist after extraction run finishes for the sake of convenience. In the next setting, we look at the mask SVDB menu item and notice that a cross reference, a Calibur connectivity, and generating parasitic data options have been checked. It is important to note here that to run Calibur exact 3D, these options need not be selected. The only prerequisite here needed would be choosing exact 3D and in accuracy mode. In order to get more accurate results, we look at the options and disable reduction. In order to make your runs faster, you could go to run control and choose a multi-threaded mode and run exact. In the Calibur view setup, you will notice the cell map file. A cell map file is needed for devices or pins mapping between Calibur and Cadence. We want to make sure that the parasitic placement is at its layout location, and the same would apply to the device placement. This here is the Calibur view, and you will notice the parasitic devices placed on the respective polygons. On zooming in, we notice the extracted elements on the original layout. Similar steps can be followed with mode 600 to observe differences and use the results accordingly. With this method, you should now be able to generate an extracted netlist using a 3D field solver. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.